Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you want to see how I achieve this look by doing my edges, keep watching. Obviously you will need a toothbrush and your favorite gel. This is definitely my favorite. You could tell it's almost gone. Like, y'all need to get this. I always start by spraying the toothbrush first, then I put the gel on the back of my hand and start applying. Oh my god, that is so nasty. Always clean your toothbrush, ladies, please. So basically you want to hold your toothbrush like you will hold a pencil. Then you want to use your free hand to guide it in the direction you want it. So I swoop my hair so I don't disturb the baby hair that I'm trying to lay, if that makes sense. Then you want to lay the baby hair that's already out, because if you don't, you will look crazy. Don't try to force baby hairs, let it come naturally. And that's the famous swoop that I'm doing now. The swoop is the key to laying your baby hairs, like the key. If there's no swoop, there's no edges. Always remember to use your free hand to guide the baby hair in the swoop. Like, y'all, this is my favorite side of my head. Like, look at that. Look at that. It's perfect. It's perfect. I also have a weird obsession with doing my sideburns. I just like the way it curls up. That's very weird, but like, I don't know. I just like playing with my sideburns a lot. A lot. Now to the side, I despise doing the most. And this is what I mean by don't forcing baby hairs. You see my real hair trying to come out with my baby hair? That's a no. No, ma'am. So I'm doing the swoop. Ugh, just look at that. Just do the swoop, y'all. Do the swoop and use your finger to guide your baby hair. Not your hair, your baby hair. The only part I like doing about my left side is my sideburns. I love doing my sideburns. Like, it just curl up so pretty and natural. I always put the remaining gel that I have on my toothbrush on my flyaways. Like, everything I do, I'm always going to have flyaways. It's so annoying. I have no idea why I do that weird look at the finished recording. I have no idea why I do that. But let's get into these edges. Like, they're amazing. I couldn't even get the word out. They're so amazing. But see, that piece of hair gets on my nerves. This happens all the time. That piece of hair ruins everything. It ruins my mood, my vibe. But I always get it together, always. Before I put my headscarf on, I always put more gel on my edges so I can wake up and they're going to be in place. That's the key to fixing your edges. Always put gel before you put your headscarf on. And of course, you're always gonna have to do a little touch up before you put your headscarf on. If you really want to look cute like me, I always gotta have my edges cute for work. Like every time somebody comes to my job, they always be like, your hair is so pretty, or oh my god, I love your edges. This is how I do it, y'all. This is how I do it. My face is so shiny because I've been using this moisturizer, because my face is breaking out so bad. You can see it all in this video, but look at my hair. Just look at it. This is my favorite side. Like, I play with it all day. And I could work on that side a little bit more, but it's still cute. It's still cute. Make sure you tie your headscarf on tight and put it behind your ear. Don't ever tie it on your ear. That don't make any sense. You're gonna wake up and your ear's gonna be sore. But I always tie my headscarf tight, like real tight. I wake up with a line on my forehead. And always make sure you get your edges. Like, I'm fixing it. My headscarf isn't on my edges, so I'm fixing it to where my edges is underneath the headscarf. And this is how I woke up with the headscarf off. Oh my god, look at them waves and look at them edges. I always play in my puff because my puff is growing and it's shrinking even more and it's aggravating. But yeah, see, I keep playing with the puff. But let's get into these edges, y'all. Keep looking at them. Like, this is the key to my face. The edges, period. This period. But thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos.